Imagine for a moment that we're not alone in this vast universe. In fact, let's say we're just one of thousands of intelligent civilizations out there. But here's the twist. We're the ones they're all terrified of. You see, across the galaxy, there's a database that every advanced civilization contributes to. It's like a cosmic Yelp review system warning others about dangerous species. And humans? We've got the equivalent of a 1-star rating with a big red warning label. Why? Well, we're the only known species that deliberately invented ways to destroy ourselves. Multiple times. Nuclear weapons weren't enough, we kept pushing boundaries. We're also the only ones who continued to damage our own planet, while fully understanding the consequences. But what really freaks them out is our resilience. We're the species that looked at fire, a force that every other creature runs away from, and thought, hey, let's control this. We're the ones who see a massive mountain and think, I bet I can climb that. We break bones, and instead of letting them heal naturally, we literally put metal plates inside our bodies. The aliens have watched in horror as we've sent robots to other planets, deliberately crashed them into comets, and even hurled our machines beyond our solar system. They've observed how we can survive in virtually any environment on Earth, from scorching deserts to frozen tundras, and modify our surroundings instead of adapting ourselves. But here's what terrifies them the most, our imagination. We're the only species they've encountered that actively creates and consumes fiction about our own extinction, and then uses those stories to prepare for such scenarios. We don't just solve problems, we anticipate them, often imagining the worst possible outcomes. They've monitored our broadcasts, our literature, our art. They've seen how we can turn anything into a weapon, how we can survive against impossible odds, and how we never, ever give up. To them, we're not just dangerous, we're unpredictable. That's why there's an unspoken agreement among the galactic community. Leave Earth alone. Don't make contact, don't interfere, because if humanity ever feels threatened, if we ever decide to turn our full attention and resourcefulness toward the stars, well, the universe isn't ready for that. So next time you look up at the stars and wonder why we haven't been contacted yet, remember, maybe it's not because we haven't been discovered. Maybe it's because we're the cosmic equivalent of that house on the street that everyone knows to avoid. The one with the "Beware of Humans" sign posted clearly in the universal language of fear. In the end, perhaps our greatest strength and most terrifying quality is simply being human, resilient, resourceful, and relentlessly determined to survive no matter what the universe throws at us.